Hey, are we squishing him?
You're good to go.
Hey, I need it.
Hey. Alright guys, we're here because we just had an event, and so everybody except for Steven was here. So
Steven's such a slacker.
He is. But another reason why we're here is because of you guys. Because of you, we have reached 10,000 subscribers. So thank you very much. And we are about to show you something that you probably have never seen before.
It has nitro fuel. It has nitro fuel.
And a no I know.
Guys, seriously, thank you for, I don't know how we got to 10,000 subscribers, but somehow, for some reason, people like watching our ridiculous shenanigans on here that we film after we've been to a flying event and are tired and are a bunch of idiots and want to make a bunch of angry bee noises. So let the fun begin.
Video.
Ooh. I don't bend. Alright. So I gotta fuel it up. Is this gonna unstick? I'm about to make a huge mess. There we go.
They do tend to be a pain in the neck, especially after you put gasoline in them. I
Good
never
thing this
did
isn't
it,
gasoline.
but it's had gasoline in it.
Well, why did
No,
it
it
have
hasn't.
gasoline in it?
Oh, you mean the... Okay. I thought you meant the engine. I was like, not to my knowledge. So then, you then just cover the other fuel port with your finger and blow until all the air bubbles are gone. And then, this hasn't been run in a couple days, so it's probably drifted. But then, if all goes well, it'll start first flip. Transmitter, please. Spec crash, yada yada yada. Blah blah blah. Alright.
Who crashed the airplanes?
Oh, hush. I blame Wi-Fi.
You did.
I blame Wi-Fi.
Crap.
You technically crashed all the
Overprimed,
airplanes.
so it's going to take a second before it starts thinking about it. That is the issue if you're not careful. Oh, maybe I really did overprime it. That or it's underprimed. It's underprimed. I'm making a decision. Yeah, it's underprimed. I didn't actually prime it. Sometimes purging the air gets you enough fuel. There we go.
That's better.
Probably needs to go way open. And this is where you appreciate electric. It's times like these.
Almost. It's like one of my engines.
Hey, this starts
It's like
first time
every
when it's
nitro
dialed.
motor ever. You can't say, hey, it's like one of my engines. No, it's like every motor.
Exactly.
It's a little rich, but for a first flight, I'll take it.
Probably about time to start climbing. There it is. You hear it lean out right at the end?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Is it an achievement to say this thing glides better than the space shuttle?
Just make sure you amplify the sound so people can hear it.
How obnoxious it is.
Oh, and you're filming the bloopers? Got it.
Nice.
So
We're gonna
typical.
release a blooper reel. It's like
That's
what I was
that's
doing.
Logan's
No,
job.
this is literally going to turn into what not to talk about.
I couldn't hear what you were saying.
I think it needs to get leaned out more, but it's kind
It
of
does.
unhappy. We're getting closer though.
Yeah, they are.
So much for flight line.
Don't need no stinking flight line. Probably making you work for it, Logan.
You are working me hard on this one. I thought Ben was working me hard on the yellow jacket, but this is.
Oh wow. Hey, I timed it okay, I guess.
Somebody got excited about that one. Like, oh man, this thing's going great.
I was just thinking, shouldn't he be climbing?
Time to start climbing after this one.
On this.
Alright, we'll lean it out and try to do some acro. I'll spend the time on the ground to make it sing. Now it's happy. Try and do another one first. Like that?
Yeah, something like that. Now I'll start climbing. There it is. That's about as good as you're gonna get.
Yeah.
There is no flare. Complaint for insufficient fuel quantity. Bad prior planning by our...
Why is that a human resource problem?
I don't know.
Everything's a human resource
At
problem
this
in
point, I think we're kind of
Apparently-
understaffed to have like an actual complaint line.
HR is the complaint department, and unfortunately, HR is usually the one
I
getting
have this
complained about.
round container where those complaints can be filed so that they can be reviewed at later times.
No, we just normally delete the emails. It's way easier.
Says HR himself.
We're
Ouch.
an efficient organization.
We really are.
Will
We take
be
care of
4
it
for 4 on
real
first
quick.
flips? Oh, nope. Overprimed. It's gonna take a minute. Oh, I was impatient.
Wah, wah, wah.
Mr. HR, I'd like to file a complaint on
For
incompetent running.
incompetent operator.
I think you have to take that with the
Why
team
not
pilot
just-
captain.
Burn in daylight. Burn in daylight.
Weren't
Why
we
is
supposed to fly
everybody
something
here?
special?
So
Burning daylight.
Here we go. I just got the piston stuck on the way down by the
Because you're
cliff.
breaking into our ice cream.
I want ice cream.
You people suck.
You won't say that when we're eating ice cream.
Yeah, because I won't be eating any. Stop taking too long.
Exactly. You're getting it.
All of you. See, look, I spent so much time. It's out of prime.
I don't need any more work.
Now I've overprimed this.
HR will file a complaint against you for violating OSHA safety rules.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for enjoying the angry gnat, and thanks for 10,000 subscribers. Go ahead, Caleb.
And thank you for that. You can ride your bikes when you leave them someplace. I already say that.
Say it again.
Say it again.
But
Say it again.
you can. We're gonna ride and drive if you want to do anything that you need for your bike. But
What about airplanes?
airplanes, yeah. When you're
Say thanks for watching.
thanks for watching, all that jazz for when,
He's been listening to me too long.
and then you were
Say bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. The crappiest taping job ever just
I
for
don't
the
care. It's just like hacking the spot. Y'all got the giggles.
Yeah.
We're ice cream deprived.
Oh, shut
And
up.
we've been at a flying event for the past week.
Hey, at least I don't have to drive for
We've been sleeping in tents, and well, except for him.
Yeah.
That's how camping works.
Yeah, it's almost like Dan works for the Air Force.
I don't work for the Air Force.
He's a civilian
Not today.
contractor. Come on. Or something like that. Oh, wow, my bike plug's
Oh,
not there
man.
anymore.
That one doesn't do it.
I'm not even taping this up all the way, Ross.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna
'Cause-
take it back apart anyway. So.
No, I just hope the tape does come off well.
It probably won't.
That's what
I'll
I'm
submit a
figuring.
complaint with HR.
Okay.
Craftily applied paint. Tape.
I think we need to have a discussion on what's allowed to be
Beautiful,
filed to
mate.
HR.
No, I'm serious. I think.
Otherwise,
I think we
HR's
should,
going to complain to HR about it.
All of you people are horrible, no good.
See, the problem is,
See,
though, these kind of reports really need to go to QA and Pee-wee's QA. I'm just saying. Go ahead and take it up with the Angry Bird.
Yeah, Ross, take it up with QA.
Yeah.
He's been stuck by himself all week, so
He might be a little surly.
Yeah, you made me extra salty tonight.
Immediately got chased out of his cage by Nebo, so...
Everything's sticking to my hands because they're icky.
And there's your bike clip, everyone.
There.
That's all you're going to get from J&H Aerospace. That's the only bike clip you will ever see on the rest of the
This
channel.
is a bike tutorial channel now.
I can't.
We don't need no airplanes.
I can't.
Yeah, we quit. We're starting to make
Caleb's the bike
bicycles.
repair channel.
I can't.
We're going backwards from the Wright brothers. And now they know, after me building 7 airplanes for Seth, I have to do 7 helicopters for the Grand Forks International Heli Fun Fly, and I have to get you guys this video in those 7 days. Thanks, guys.